LLMs are very good at reasoning. They're very poor at finding things. And here's why. You kind of tell them to go find something, even if it doesn't exist, they will find it because they don't know how to say no. And the second thing is like providing the whole context of your application, whether that context lives in Confluence and wiki pages or in Swagger documents and other things, is the most important thing to have. So like, there's a lot of startups out there that basically claim to be like AI assistants, and you go peel under the hood, and what they do is they'll call a foundational model, Cohere, OpenAI, whatever, and they'll just pipe your pull request, get a result, and say that's the problem. And it's just not the right use case. I think the right balance is let's not look at it as either AI or rules. I think it's a combination. You need a lot of rules and curation because, if you think about application and having an AST of an application and the context you could drive from there with certain rules. So my belief and how we are approaching this problem at Endor Labs is we take a broad spectrum of rules, pipe it, and get what is probably going to be lots of false positives in the data. But we don't expose that to customers. We then take that set information and then we reason with that with LLMs to basically do a lot of triage and false positive reduction process using LLMs, helping them help the explainability of it. And by the way, once we get to a good fidelity of information that we're ready to expose to the customer, also use LLMs to propose the best methodology to fix it, both in simple English, but also code snippets that people wanted. So I think it's a combination. You can't do it one way or the other entirely.